now that my plants are growing, I got some Velcro tape, and I also have the little cage to let the tomatoes grow. I have a trellis, but it just seems like the plant is kind of far away. So I wanted to be closer so it could kind of grow up. And it's a 4-pack.
So they're not trying to come to dinner.
Now I got a snap-on arms.
My life is rock bottom. Everything about this trip is not what I envisioned. Well, if you could pack up.
Actually, that's perfect.
I'm gonna have a pool.
So here's our update so far. We have one zucchini plant. These two are cucumbers. That's my pepper because my other pepper died. And then these two are tomatoes. But this tomato is thriving way more than this tomato. And these are my early girl tomatoes, and these are my Roma tomatoes, and I really want the Roma tomatoes. So far, for a first little garden setup, it's not bad.